In this video, we will be looking at 5 draw commands: the polygon command, the arc command, the ellipse command, construction line, and ray line. We'll start off by drawing 2 circles. So we'll click on the circle command here, we'll click a circle, and we'll make a radius of 5, so go 5, enter. And we want the exact same circle again, so we'll hit enter to repeat the command, click anywhere, and hit enter, and it makes the exact same circle. In here, over here in the corner, we're going to use the polygon command. We're going to click in the corner here and pick polygon. So under the rectangle here, there's a polygon. I'm going to click on the polygon. Then we're going to read the instructions. Enter the number of sides. So let's say we have 8 sides. So 8, enter. Then specify the center. So we're going to pick the center of the circle. Okay. Inscribed at the bottom here, or at the side here and at the bottom, or here, you either want it inscribed or circumscribed. So I'm going to go inscribed, and I'll click out here, and then you can see that it's inside the circle. Now let's repeat that command again. So we'll go to polygon. Okay, we'll enter maybe more sides. We'll enter like 20 sides. Okay, pick the center of the circle. Okay, this time we'll circumscribe, and we'll pick the outside, and it should be on the outside of the circle. Now, you do not have to draw the circle. You can go right away to the command. So you can pick like the polygon command, pick maybe 6 sides. Click a starting point, and then maybe say, oh, it's inside of a circle which has a radius of 8. And that's inside of a circle, which would, all the corners would touch on the outside. That'd be a radius of 8. Okay, the next command that we're going to do is the arc command. In order to show that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a rectangle first, and we're going to use that rectangle. So I'm going to draw a really quick rectangle, and I'm going to draw it right over here. I'm just going to pick 2 points, click from here to here, and I'm going to go to the arc command. So I'll click on the arc. I'll show you which one. There's multiple arc ones, but the one I like is the 3-point. There's a whole bunch of them, but I like the 3-point arc. So I'm going to click on the 3-point arc. I'm going to pick like 1 point, a 2nd point, and a 3rd point. So the arc touches the 3 points. Again, I'll repeat that. I'll click on that arc command with the 3 points. I'll pick maybe here. I'll pick over here. And I'll pick down here. And look, the arc touches all those points. Interestingly, it touches all those. If I were to get a dimension of that, I'm sure it would be the one I typed 8. Next is the ellipse command. Now, create an ellipse, which is a circle which is stretched out on one direction. Okay, or squashed in here inside the rectangle. So I will pick the one I like the best, which is the axis and the end. I don't like the center one. I prefer this axis and end one. So I click on it. I click on the middle of that box. I click on the other middle, and then I pick up here, and it creates an ellipse. Again, you can also do these on an angle. So if you wanted to, you go to the ellipse command. You could click here. You can click another one here. And you can create these any size you want on an angle. The next 2 commands is the construction line and the ray. They're found under the draw. I rarely use these ones, but I'll show you where they are. Here is the construction line, so I'll click on it. I pick a point, and then I pick another point, and then I can pick another point from there. I can keep picking points, and I keep drawing these lines, which are construction lines. To get out of the command, I hit escape. If I zoom out, these lines go on forever and ever and ever. So again, these are construction lines. Now, if I wanted to create a ray, so I go over here, I pick on the ray, I click here, and I pick on the direction I want to go. Say I want to go up, or I want to go that way. It just creates a very long line in one direction. Now, I can use the trim command to cut these. So if I wanted to, I can go to trim. I can hit enter to select all cutting surfaces, and I can start like cutting these and creating a triangle. So the trim command works, same with the extend command. And that's it for this video.